Hey everybody, it's Mindy. And you see what I have? Amy got me again. She got me again. She's always going to get me. I think every time she comes out with new stuff, there's going to be something there I have to have. I'm excited for next month. I get to work on my custom that Amy worked on so hard for me. So I'm excited to work on that. But let me show you what I got here. Normally I would do 2 separate videos, but guess what? This time, we're doing them together. We're going to do both of them. Okay, so what hit her store that I had to have? What did I have to have? Well, let's show you. What did I have to have? I might actually work on this in November. Why not? Because November is Gnome-vember. Gnome-vember. Look at, isn't it cute? It's adorable. Absolutely adorable. It's got 34 colors. Whew, that's more than I normally get in one of her kits. 31 is, wow. Add some colors to this one. Look at him. He's so cute. You actually see his face. Look, he has eyes. You can see his face. He's got some pumpkins, some fall leaves, got some birds sitting on his pumpkins. This one's got like a hat. Super cute. Love it. Yeah, I saw this and you know I had to have it. We have a color list on both sides, left and right, and both sides actually have a picture as well. Here's our picture. Our little gnome guy, blurry, because my, camera is like, hello, no, I don't want to focus for you. Still don't want to focus for you. There he is. Super cute. Clear drill field. Love it. Love, love, love. Here's our symbols. Love it. 34 colors. Oh, wow. This is a thicker, stiffer canvas. It's fine. I have no problems with those. I love him. He's adorable. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. This canvas is in great shape. Not one wrinkle in it. Here's our toolkit. Got a multi-placer. Multi-placer. Yeah, we're gonna multi-place. We're gonna multi-place some background and these C's. And, yeah. Oh, wax boat. I love that Amy's kits come with pre-bagged drills. I love that. Love it. Okay. 34 colors. Wow. How do we open them? My air conditioning just came on. Yay, because the sun is right behind me, shining on my back. It's getting warm. It's getting hot in here. No, we're not doing that other thing. No. Okay, a lot of the clear. I'm assuming that's all the background. Yep. So these are in order. I know. I hate to mess them up. Let's just show you some of the colors. I mean, what are we going to get? We're going to get greens, reds, oranges, many greens, purple, couple purples. Oh, we got some purple. Nice, right? Nice. I'm not going to mess them up too much. Somebody's leaking. I call it leaking. See the orange drill in our bag? Can you see it? No, you can't see it. It's right here. An orange drill. Somebody leaked. Because, sometimes these tops don't get sealed all the way. It's not a huge deal, but look at the pretty orange. Wow, that's a pretty orange. Probably goes in that bag. Some pinks. Gorgeous colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Okay, see, like this one right here? He's trying to escape. So you just check your bags. Sometimes they don't all get tucked down in there. Just open it up, shake him in there, and he's good to go, right? Get back in your bag. I'm not even going to worry about that guy in there. Oh, because he's out. Now he's out. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else escaping? Just check the tops of my bags. Nope. Everybody looks good. Okay, cool. Beautiful. I love him. I'm trying to do smaller things for November so I can get a bunch of things done. He's not big. I think he's a 30 by 30. No, he's a 40 by 40. He's a 40 by 40. That's a good size. And with all that multi-placing, yeah, it shouldn't take that long, right? I might see if I can squeeze him in. Gnome-vember. He's adorable. Okay, here's the next one. This is another one of my favorite things on Amy's site. These get me every time. This artist gets me every time. And sometimes I just can't resist. Can't resist, okay? This one's a little bit larger. This one's a 50 by 50. Ooh, hello. Oh, I wanted to show you something. I just noticed it on this one. Let me show you on this one real quick. She's added something to her paintings. Look at here. Licensed artwork by Reginast. Reginast. Anyhow, she has the licensing information on the canvas. That's nifty. People have asked me about that before, and she hadn't done it prior to this, but looks like she's adding that to her. Look at all those. Adding that to her diamond paintings, to her canvases, because I noticed it on this one right away. Licensed artwork by Natalia Zagori. Pronunciations today. Pronunciations. Look at that picture. Look at that picture. It's funny. I didn't get done. I'm still working on a picture very similar to this in my coloring app on my phone. Yep. Got the swirls and the heart. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that multi-placer we were going to use in the last one, well, you know, we still have some multi-placing here, just not as much. This one's got 35 colors. We have stepped up the color game. It's wanting to curl still. Let me see if I can convince it. Like I said, this is a stiffer canvas, and I convince it to lay flat for us. We're gonna talk to it sweetly and say, lay down. Chauncey, lay down. Let me know if you know where that's from. One of my favorite things to say. There. See? Talk nicely to it. Still wants to curl a little right there. That's okay. But how pretty. I fell in love with this. So I love this artist, Natalia. I love her work. It's perfect for diamond painting. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for diamond painting. It turns out so beautiful. There's several new ones by her. Several. Just, I had to choose. I couldn't get everything. And you know me. Okay. So, like I said, this one has 35 colors. It has like a border all the way around. A border of 7s. Oh, no. I lie. 7 question mark hashtag. It's not even all one color. No. This is not all one color, as you'll see. Look. D, F, D, 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 F, C. Oh, let's throw some C's in there too, right? Nothing's one color here. J, D, D, G, 5. Yeah, nothing up here is one color. Can you say confetti? Put that multi-placer away. Well, you'll have some opportunities. Maybe here, a little, here, a little. There's a little bit, but not much. Even the border, like I said, is 3 symbols. Okay, yep. Isn't it pretty? It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay. All right. Wow. Stepping up in the colors, 35 colors. We have a number here. That's our kit. Says it right over here. AM 474 and the size. It says it right there. Legend on both sides, picture on both sides, artist at the top now. Good going. Nice job, Amy. Love it. It glimmers, shimmers, and shines. Amy. You're killing me here. Amy has got the best taste in diamond paintings. And look at these teals. Look at them. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Okay, then we got green. She really has an excellent eye for what turns out in diamond paintings. You know, people send her pictures often. What do you think? Wouldn't this make a beautiful crystal diamond painting? And I think sometimes she's just like, Maybe, maybe not. No, she really, look at all these teals. She has a wonderful eye for which images turn out. Because not all images are going to be perfect for crystal diamond painting. They're not. I mean, let's just be honest, you know. But she picks them. I mean, I got something. I got drills going. Like I said, somebody's got a leak. Look at these blues. Purple, more blue. Gorgeous. What is this? Is this our black resin? I think this is black resin. Okay. Because, you know, outlining. You outline with the black resin and it makes everything else pop. Love that color. Aren't these gorgeous? I mean, there's all the colors. Whoa. Whoa. Can we say yellow? Hello, yellow. 2 different shades of yellow. Whoa. Pretty. So pretty. Amy, you kicked it out of the park. I love these. They're so pretty. All right. I have prices, actually. She gave me prices. I got an invoice here. The gnome, 40 by 40, $25. The stained glass butterfly, purple heart. Stained glass, oh no, not butterfly. Stained glass, beautiful purple heart, 50 by 50, $32. Yeah, love it. I mean, these are excellent kits, you guys. Amy has never steered me wrong. Okay, go to her shop. She has new things. This is just a small sampling of what she has. I don't even know how many new kits she came out with. I don't know. But go check her out. All right, I'll link her below. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm gonna clean up and put this all away. And I'm gonna keep him close. He's gonna stay close nearby because November is like a month away. A month and, 10 days or something. Yeah. All right. Hit the like button if you like this, if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new here and you'd like to see more videos. Subscribe so you'll know that I'm putting out a new video, okay? Check out memberships, my live on Saturday nights. I do all kinds of stuff. Whip and chats on Wednesdays, a book discussion on Tuesday nights. Yeah, I'm a busy girl. Yeah, got lots going. So, something for everybody. Okay, I will see you guys soon. Have a great day. And enjoy the beauty. Just enjoy the beauty. Bye, everybody.